What if I told you that it's super easy to make that delicacy you think is so difficult to make? Yes, I'm talking about that delicacy, Ekuru. Ekuru is indeed tasty and will fill you with fond memories every time you take it. Okay, now let me show you how to make this delicacy. Get your beans peeled and rinsed. Then your palm oil, tatashe rodo and onions, grate it also and set it aside. Iru, blended crayfish, jumbo prawns, omo, smoked panla fish sauce, bouillon cubes, and the leaf for wrapping your ekuru. First, blend your beans. Don't add too much water. If you use a blender, you have already incorporated air into your beans to make it fluffy. My simple hack for more fluffy ekuru is to put in your blended beans into your mixer using the whisk attachment, and you got yourself a very fluffy consistency, just like this. Clean your leaf and with your kitchen scissors, cut out the leaf stalk. You can use it as a base in your pot while steaming. Add water in your pot and layer some of the leaves. This is a simple, common way of steaming when you are not using a steamer. It's time to fill the leaf. Make your leaf into a cone like this. Pour in your fluffy beans. You noticed I did not add salt in my beans. When making ekuru, you leave your beans absolutely free from salt, pepper, and oil, leaving all the delicacy and the deliciousness for the pepper sauce. Now back to the beans. Wrap it like this and place it into your pot. Repeat till you're done. Cover with more leaf and let it steam. So simple. And now the star of the day. That is what makes ekuru a super delicacy. Let's go. Heat your pan and pour in your palm oil. So in no particular order, in goes your iru, crayfish, salt, bouillon cube, grated pepper, and onions. For more, smoked panla, jumbo prawns, and allow it all to fry together. Don't disturb it too much with any mixing. Just allow it to fry so you don't break up your prawns and your fish. And just like that, once you perceive the frying aroma, your time to enjoy is here. Ekuru is done. Serving time. Can you see plantain also on my plate? Yes, you can enjoy ekuru just the way you love it. Some use okra or pap to eat their ekuru. I'm cutting through my ekuru so you can see how fluffy it is. That is how to tell a good ekuru, and it's totally different from moi moi. The mixing is the key, and it makes a lot of difference. This is so tasty. Oh, the prawns so good. Please quickly recreate this dish. And for more simple, easy, delicious, healthy recipes, keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.